Hi, my name is Marlon Johnson from Auckland, New Zealand, and I've been with Webtalk since July of 2019. And a few of the things that I love about Webtalk, first and foremost, is that the people here are really helpful and supportive, and the management team of Webtalk is second to none. Now, Webtalk is a ground floor, social media platform cross between Facebook and LinkedIn that will share 50% of all its revenue generated from multiple income streams to 5 levels of compensation, and 10% to charity. Now, there's no other social media platform that does that I know of, right? Now, I'm earning income from Webtalk, and so are many of the other members as well. And it's just going from strength to strength and getting better and better. I highly recommend Webtalk to anybody because they are changing lives and helping humanity create more success. And Webtalk is a platform that pays you to be social. Anyway, before I go, please, if you can, subscribe to the owner of this YouTube channel, my good friend, Sir Erdy, aka Mr. Webtalk. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of his up and coming awesome videos. And support and follow him on Webtalk. There's a free to join link in his description box. Thanks for watching, bless you heaps, and I'll see you on Webtalk.